8 seconds para kay Rene. Patalbon niya. Yes, our MVP, Mr. Rene Patalbon niya. 8 seconds. Okay, ball position for BRMI Eagles. And Zamora, ang mag-iba para sa PRMI, pasa dito kay Tayapan, jersey number 11. Tayapan balik kay Janjan, balik ulit kay Tayapan, shot clock 8 seconds. 18, Solomon. Not yet for Solomon. Ang bola sa rebound, and Janjan, first cut basket of the game. PRMI, samantala, jersey number 23, Tia Perlasa, nagkahanap ng mga kapag para sa likod ng jersey number 17. And Tayapan downstairs, David Pelini. And the ball is in, Tia Perlasa, Magdalene, jersey number 23, drive. Rejected. There's a whistle. Ay sabi dito. And fall by jersey number. Fall by jersey number 67, pushing down. For Banyagas, and a first ball for Banyagas, first team foul, and push-ups para kay Gian, and a first man, not good. Bulasa. And last throw ni Gian Bulasa, jersey number 23. And the walk-out for para Bulasa. Free to score, ang mandi ng isa. Ang The Bravoys, samantala jersey number 10, Tayapan ang magtatawid ng bola para sa PRMI. Ay, liyo ko tayo sa akin kontra ako ng catch. Diba, kay sila sa players. Liyo ko na ko. Liyo ko sa iyo mga kontra sa Baipia. Nakapras ng iba sa sila sa referee. Rebound pa dito kay Polini, pasa kay Kim Tayapan, jersey number 11. Tayapan pa dito kay Janjan, Zamora. Tayapan once again nag-iningon para sa PRMI, 40 seconds on the shot clock. Panagas puts it up for 3, not yet. Rebound pa kay Gian, jersey number 23. Gian nagmamagalit. Out to bounds. Balik ko rin ang bola sa paling PRMI. Balik ko rin sa paling PRMI, 8 minutes, 9 seconds. Remain 9 more first. And Zamora inbound, jersey number 12. Pasa rito kay Titi Tayapan, nakapagkatuloy ng bola. And Titi once again set the play. Pasa rito kay Panagas. Shot clock down to 17. Janjan, inside pass. David Pulili, atake dito. And 2 points. For David Pulili, jersey number 29, 3 sa score. Kadagati na ng apat ang BRMI Eagles. Samantala down sa pulang nito ng The Bravoys. 7 minutes, 50 seconds, and 20 seconds on the shot clock. And jersey number 17 na mag-inbound. Deliga. Dugji Bulasa. Not good. Rebound. Deliga. With the pull-up. 2 points. Deliga, jersey number 17. Ayan, ang 5 minutes for mabas na rawang abante ng PRMI. Tayapan with the long feed. And Tayapan. Remaining 9 for the first. Janjan, Zamora, mag-iwan para sa PRMI. Team once again. Panagas, open. Panagas! And Panagas! 3! Diliga. Vitor. Akapagin. Basket is good. Kasama pa foul. And a basket count of all by jersey number 25. And illegal use of arms for Solomon. And Solomon got first personal foul and 2 team fouls. And a bonus go para kay Vitor, jersey number 30. Ayan, bonus na pala kay Vitor. Okay. Ayan, pasok ka 3.3 for Vitor. 7 minutes, 6 seconds. 8-30 score. Akyat sa limang kabante dito ng PRMI. Samantala, Tayapan, nagsiset na play dito. Balik kay Janjan, balik ulit yung team Tayapan. Shot clock down to 40 seconds. Padagas, open for 3. Padagas, 3 points. Pangalawang press, makakait Padagas. Samantala, Bayapan, kapatsik tulong. At 16 score. Pabati naman ang PRMI CI. Kikitayapan. Out of bounds. Turnover. And 6 minutes, 28 seconds. The remaining time for the first. Samantala, mula sa Gian. Pasa dito kay Manjingkolon. Payanban. Cross. Court. And a very season. And a fall by jersey number. And a ball line jersey number 25, Solomon pushing down, and Solomon gets second personal down. 3 defouls. And mula sa Gian na mag-rebound, pass na kay Bayandan, and Bayandan setting the play. Nagkikimon sa kaiwa. Shot clock, 80 seconds. Before, drive, 2 points. Before, jersey number 30, babas na apat na mamani ng PRMI. Samantala, Team Kintayapan, pass na kay Padagas. Balik kay Team, Sera, Naked, offensive board, para kay Solomon, pasa nito kay David. Ang awal sa rebound, Janjan, 2 points for Zamora. And 5 minutes and 50 seconds. Samantala, jersey number 7 in Tilica, pasa kay Bayanban, Victor, first take up, 2 points. And Victor, jersey number 30. Balik ulit sa apat ang abate ng PRMI. Samantala dito tingin once again may tangan. Nagsiset ng play. 40 seconds on the shot clock. David Pulili, Solomon. Padagas na naman sa press. Nakil. And Vitor rebound jersey number 30. Long pass. Speed for Solomon. And Solomon jersey number 25. Pass na kay Padagas. With the jumper. Nakil. Rebound Vitor. Long pass. Piliga ang hero. And 2 points. Piliga. Jersey number 17, 5 minutes, 1 seconds. And mamadalang sa dalawang mamani ng PRMI. Samantala David Pulili, jersey number 29. Balik dito kay Team Tayapan. And a shot clock down to 40 seconds. Tayapan, Janjan, naiwan bukas, break. Inilapit. Janjan once again, 2 points. With Zamora, jersey number 12. Samantala Vitor naman, may tangan. Blood versus 3. Nakil for Vitor, rebound para kay Team Tayapan, jersey number 11. Nagpamadali dito, Tayapan drive. And matatawagan ang traffic violation. And timeout for PRMICI. Timeout for PRMICI. 4 minutes and 35 seconds. 16 premium score. Amal din ang apat ang PRMI Eagles. Time out the ball game. And 4 minutes 35 seconds. The remaining time for the first period. And bulitin naman ng Brown Boys. And Bayan running down. Pasok dito kay Tilica, jersey number 17. Tilica ang itatawag dito ng bola para sa nagpanig na nagpapara. Pasa kay Gian Bolasa, jersey number 26. Shot clock down to 14. Gian once again. Using the doing the shot. And ball by jersey number. And ball by jersey number 23. Gian Bolasa holding foul. And the first personal now. And the first foul 4 minutes 19 seconds. And Mosquisa inbound, jersey number 21, pasta dito kay Gumbila, jersey number 10. And Gumbila, Saran, balik kay Gumbila. Mosquisa, Airspeed, Bayambangan, Vitor, jersey number 30. Vitor pasa kay Limpopo, jersey number 29. Limpopo, what's it up for Dean? Not yet. Vitor, offensive board, and may sakit dito. And followed by jersey number 15. Patrimonio, the first personal foul. And the 14 falls na PRMI, 2 shots para kay Vitor in the first basket. And the first basket is steal para kay Vitor, jersey number 13. And the last drop para kay Vitor. And yes, 2 for Vitor, jersey number 30, 18-20 score. At dalawang puntos na lang yung mabandri ng PRMI Singay. Samantala, jersey number 10. Pagpila nagsiset ng play. Pasa dito kay Sarad. Sarad, open for 3. Not yet. And a rebound for Gian Bolasan, jersey number 23. And Gian ang mamaya ng long pass. And nakakuha ni Vitor save. Great. Vitor once again, nilabas yung bola dito. Shot clock down to 40 seconds. Vitor, 1-on-1 Patrimonio. Attack. Pasa dito kay Delica, jersey number 17. 8 seconds out of shot clock. Delica! 2 points. Delica, jersey number 17. Okay, score 20 all. And 3 minutes and 20 seconds. Remaining time for the first. And Rubina nag-itimon para sa panig ng PRMI Eagles. Pasa kay Salat, 30 seconds on the shot clock. Mosquisa panig kay Rubina, jersey number 10. Rubina for 3. Not yet. And rebound pa kay Vitor. And Vitor pasa dito kay Gia Bayanban runner. And Bayanban, jersey number 14 long pass para kay Pulasa. And say pass, Vitor! Not yet. And nilapot ni Riba, pasa kay Rubina na naman. Jersey number 10, ang point guy ng PRMI. Pasa kay Salat. Pasya and 2 points. Sarat, jersey number 27. Sa katala dito, Leo Bukas. Try and 2 points for them to Vitor. And dito, 20 all score. And 2 minutes and 39 seconds. Remaining time for the first. Sa natala Bumila, jersey number 10. Nagsiset ng play. 30 seconds on the shot clock. Sarat. Short. Rebound, Dilica. Pasa dito kay Bolasa. Gian Bolasa ngayon. Ang gagawin ng bola, malay kay Dilica, jersey number 17. Dive, pasa kay Vitor. Not yet. Good for Vitor. Ngunit decided dito. And the foul by jersey number 15. Patrimonio, malaking foul. And the second personal foul for Patrimonio. And a penalty ng PRMI Eagles. Samantala Vitor. Mabibigyan naman ang bonus na dito. And Vitor, first attempt. First attempt not yet for Vitor. Last row, yes, 1 out of 4, Vitor. And samantala, Rubina ngayon, jersey number 10. Mosquisa, Sarad, 15 on the shot clock. Rubina fake, drive. Ang mga bola, Steve for Gian Bolasa. And Bolasa nagmamadali. Bolasa, drive. Top shot, Bolasa, once again. Patrimonio pasa dito kay Mosquisa, jersey number 21. Mosquisa, top shot, not good. Sarang ang offensive board, out of bounds. Balik ka muna sa Dabra. And timeout. Timeout para sa Dabra, boys. 1 and 44 seconds. Lamang na dito ng isang podos. Ang team Dabra, 23-22. And 1 and 44 seconds. Nalaman ng isang puntos ang panig ng Dabra Boys. Benica. Ang mag-iba para sa Dra, pasa dito kay Bayanban. Si Dr. 14. Ang Databib. Bayanban, balik kay Diliga, pasa dito. Kaya Ipokofay. Corner, Pain again. May out of bounds. At ulat na rin dito. In the Dra, the 1 and 32 seconds. Remaining line for the first. Ipokofay mag-ibaw. Cross court. Bayanban. Balik ka muna sa PRMICI. And a 1 and 14 seconds. 1 and 14 seconds. Remaining line for the first. And jersey number 10, Gumbila down. Gumbila pasok kay Sarap. Jersey number 27 to Patrimonio. Instant pass. Out of bounds. Mananatili pa rin yung muna sa mga ng PRMI. And a 15 seconds on the shot clock. 1 and 8 seconds. And Patrimonio down. Nasa labas. Gumbila with the shot at 2 points. Gumbila jersey number 10. And 24-26. Babas dalawang kabande ng Team Labra and Siang Pulasa. Jersey number 23. Ayaw mo Maskisa. Shot clock down to 15. 55 seconds. Time out of bounds. Okay, out of bounds. Balik ulit ang pula sa panig ng PRMI Eagles. 54.